In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. If you want to multitask on your OPPO, here's my favorite way to do it. You don't need any special apps or tricks. All you need to do is pick an app you wanna use on the top half of your screen and click on it. Then launch it in the background and tap on those three dots available at the top. When you see this pop-up, you need to select Split View and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To resize them, you can hold this line in the middle and drag it. Then let go. If you want to close both apps, you can go back into background apps and swipe your split screen window like that. You can also close your apps by holding the same line you used to resize them and dragging one all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button to close remaining app. But here's what most people miss. You can actually use those three dots at the top of both apps. Let's start with the lower one and pick one of those options. Expand if you wish to use your chosen app. In this kind of position, you can also do exactly the same by adjusting it thanks to this slider though. It's just faster to use those dots. You can tap on full screen to use chosen app in full screen view. You can tap on switch app and pick another app you want to use instead of a current one, like clock. And you can also select close to close the split screen view completely. But there is another thing that's quite interesting, because you can also click on this line instead of three dots and tap on swipe sides if you want to switch them. But here's my favorite part. If you often use two apps in split screen view, the same ones, you can tap on Save as App Group and then close your split screen view and tap on a shortcut that will appear on your screen. This way you can always use those apps in split screen view and even launch them in split screen view right away. If you want to delete this shortcut, you can hold it and tap on Remove. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!